Welcome to LEO Verification Gluten Test. Please wash your hands before beginning, then tear open the package and lay out the testing chip, the swab, and the extraction bottle. Loosen the purple cap because it was put on very tight for shipping, and then think about the cross-contamination points such as grill marks, food substituted for foods with gluten. Remove the swab from its package and touch up to 5 places. Touch the wettest item first. If the liquid is thick like yogurt, just touch it slightly. Then open the large cap and put the swab in the extraction solution. Stir it around 5 times. Push the swab against the side of the extraction bottle to get as much liquid off of it as possible. Close the lid and shake for about 3 seconds. Open the small white cap and drop 2 to 3 drops in the sample well of the testing chip and close the lid. Set your timer for 2 minutes. Watch for the control and test lines to appear. If it is high gluten, the test line will show up right away as the sample is showing. Investigate the culprit immediately, and in this situation, the regular bread was used instead of gluten-free bread. After 2 minutes, use the LEO app to determine the parts per million. If you do not have the app, then follow the color scale on the testing chip. No line at the test mark means less than 5 parts per million. A pale pink means that it's between 5 and 10 parts per million, and a red line means that it's over 10 parts per million. If you have celiac disease and do not have the app, we recommend that you do not eat the food unless the line is a very light color at this time. We are so excited that you can love eating out again with the LEO Gluten Tester.